How's it going, everybody? It's Paul. We're in the lunchbox, and today we're gonna make for you broccoli pizza. All I have here, I got a little tortilla. Actually, it's a burrito tortilla, pretty big one. Nothing major. Sauce here, and then we got, of course, a fresh chopped broccoli, mozzarella cheese. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna start with some sauce. We're just gonna put a bunch of sauce on there, and we're just gonna stir it on. Next step, we're just gonna put a bunch of broccoli on there. This is great. If you ever have been to a restaurant, pizza place, and you've tried to order broccoli on your pizza, if they even have it on the menu, they give you like a small little tiny amount of broccoli. That's ridiculous. We're gonna pile on the broccoli. And what I do is I put it underneath the cheese. And the reason for that is because it seems like under the cheese, the heat really gets to it and it keeps in all that moisture. And the broccoli just cooks up so nicely. Nice and tender, just how you want it. So that's the broccoli. And then we're just gonna put on a bunch of mozzarella cheese. This is the easiest thing. There's no reason why you can't have pizza all the time. Parents, for the kids, I can't think of a better way to sneak vegetables into their diet without them even knowing. Well, they might taste it, but they're gonna love it, so that's not a big deal. All right, so that's it. We've got the oven preheated at 400 degrees. We're gonna pop this in for 20 minutes on the button, and we'll see you when it's done. So that's it, 20 minutes, and look at this perfect thing. I'm excited. I'm gonna chop it up and eat it. We'll see you guys next time in the lunchbox for some more awesome recipes.